Hey YouTube, this is DNL Machine here with another video. Help you stay out of the jello pudding. This is a 2003 GMC Sierra 1500, 4.8 liter, four-wheel drive, automatic, standard truck. I'm doing the knock sensors. I had the 0322 code, I believe, for the rear knock sensor. So I installed it and still had the code. I also got the code for the oil pressure sender, as you can see back there, but that's going to get changed. So what I discovered is when I did the knock and the AC voltage test is that if the hole that the knock sensor screws into, it's got a big depression around it. Hopefully you can see down here. Okay, so the little post that the knock sensor screws into sticks up quite a ways, probably about an inch, maybe more. All right, so the thing that knock sensor screws into is a threaded post, and what had happened is this one, all around the threaded post, so there's like a valley, like a ring, like one of those pound cake making pans. It was full of wet rust. So when I did the knock resistance, AC voltage test, I wasn't getting anything, and I tested the wire, tested the sensor, all tested good. So then I looked down in that hole, thought maybe there's something insulating the vibration, and sure enough, that's what it was. So if you replace your O2 or your knock sensor and you still get that code, well, preventive measure, clean that hole. All right, clean that hole real good before you put that knock sensor back in. Otherwise, you're going to be doing it again. No big deal, because this time the engine's clean, right? I don't have to worry about stuff falling in. You can see the nice, beautiful Felpro gaskets there. Do it right the first time, and you know, then you don't have to do it again. And this is the knock sensor that was in number one. I ordered two. Just going to swap this one, put it in the rear there, and there you go. All right, well, I hope this helps, and stay gold.